Now that you have set the scene as a lead IQA, the next step is to reflect on the resources, the services, and also the products that you are going to be using as a lead IQA within your IQA journey. For this criteria, we would like for you to reflect on the skills base and the resources available for you to utilize as a lead IQA. So for this criteria, we're asking you to think about what resources that you're going to be using to sample a range of IQA's work or reports, okay? So the resources, the technologies you're going to be using, and also getting you to think about the skills base of your IQAs, the staff that you're going to be monitoring. How confident are they when using these resources and technologies to sample assessors' work, okay? So we're getting you to think about not only your skill set and the resources that you're going to be using, but also your fellow IQAs as well, okay? Now, to meet this criteria, you can reflect on any 5 resources, documents or systems that you will use to sample and monitor your IQAs, okay? You can complete this question by completing a table like the one behind me here, and we would like for you to name the resource or the system that you are going to be using, okay, within your lead IQA role. How does the system work within your organization, okay? And also the strengths, so the benefits of using this resource when you're sampling all of your IQAs, and also the limitations as well, okay? So what are the considerations when using this resource or system when you are sampling your IQA's work or reports, okay? Also, the final column is think about the skills base of staff members. Can all of your staff use these effectively? Are they all okay with using these resources, or do they need extra training as well? You may be confident when using this particular resource or system, okay, but your colleagues might not be, and therefore they might need a little bit of help and support. Okay, so we're just getting you to reflect on the resources or technologies, okay, that you are going to be using. It could be as simple as emails, phone calls, Zoom or Skype to communicate with your fellow IQAs, perhaps in preparation for sampling their work. Cameras, Google Drives, to databases, and Moodle as well to perhaps upload documents to. For example, an IQA may have done a review on an assessor or tutor's work, and they have to upload some files to perhaps Moodle or a Google Drive, for example. So are they confident with that, or do they need some more training here? Okay, so for this criteria, we would like for you to reflect on any 5 different resources, document or systems here. You can, of course, fill out the table. Do have a look in pages 155 to 156. In terms of a rough word count, we're looking for between 300 to 500 words here, okay? Do ask your IQAs for their opinions, okay, on what resources and technologies do they feel that they are particularly strong at, and that if there are any that they feel that they do need some help and guidance with.